if you are suffering with hunchback, follow us with 5 simple steps to get rid of the hunchback problems. Let's start. Take the belt. You will need a belt, yoga belt or the stick. If you have a stick, use the stick. So, extend your hands up with the stick, raise your hands, stay tall, raise your heels, stay tall, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale, heels down, and if you can stretch the hands behind, start stretching the hands back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release the hands down. Spread your hands as wide as possible so that you can rotate the shoulder. From there, inhale, up, exhale, release, down. 4 more rounds. 1, inhale, exhale, down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down. Second asana, take your hands behind, shoulder distance, either use the stick or interlace your fingers. You can use the stick or the belt, interlace the fingers. 1, interlacing your fingers, stretch the hands back. Doing this, your shoulder blade gets together. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhale, release. We'll repeat for another 2 more rounds. 1, stretch away, hold. You can also use the chair. We can also use the chair. Take the hands to the chair and move away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, release. The last round, inhale, open up, open the chest, stretch the hands behind. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale, release. Third asana, forward bend. Third asana, forward bend. Different ways to do a forward bend. If you are a beginner, use the chair. Dining table chair can work, your sofa can work. Raise your both the hands high to the ceiling. Extend your both the hands high to the ceiling. You can use the bolster, you can use the brick, or you can use the chair, or you can use any of the wall to do a forward bend. As you exhale, start folding forward. Be tall, taller, spine straight, trunk straight, move down, raise the height of the brick. Take the height which you require. 1, take the height which you require. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bend your knees. All of you bend the knees, sink downward, keeping your spine straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Drop the knees. Drop the knees. Fourth asana. Dropping your knees down. Walk back. Hip and knee in line. Move your palms forward and sink down. Shishupasana. The posture name is Shishupasana. Hold here. You can use the chair, you can use the brick, or you can use your bolster. Sinking down. Head moves down, The chest is moving down. The tailbone is moving upward. Hold for 12 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale. Slowly come back. Exhale. Sit in Sukhasana or Siddhasana. Sit in Sukhasana or Siddhasana. The last final posture is twist. If you are taking a chair, sit to the side of the chair. Breathe in. Breathing out and find the twist. All of you do the twist. Left palm, right knee, right hand behind. Twist to release the hunchback. 1. The body is straight, tall and erect. Squeeze the navel, bend your elbow, pull the knee. Use your tip of the fingers to move. Keep moving out. If you are comfortable, you can wrap your hand back of the body. Hold here. 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Inhale, coming back to the center. Exhale, twist other side. 1. If you are having a chair, twisting to the left side, right palm will pull and left palm will press the chair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, coming back to the center. Exhale, release, relaxed. Hope you have enjoyed our session. Thank you. Namaste. We'll see you in the next video. Namaste.